In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted photos from iCloud. If you've accidentally removed a photo or video, there's a good chance you can get it back, especially if it's been less than 30 days. I'll walk you through the exact place to look and what to expect, so you can restore your memories with confidence. Start on your iPhone or iPad and open the Photos app. Along the bottom, tap the Albums tab. Scroll down to the Utilities section and choose Recently Deleted. You may be asked to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. That's normal, because this folder is protected. Inside, you'll see items you've removed, each showing how many days remain before it's permanently erased. Tap Select in the top corner, then tap each photo or video you want back. When you're ready, tap Recover and Confirm. That's it. The items will return to your library. They usually reappear in their original positions by date, and if they were live photos or videos, they come back as such. If you organize your library with albums, keep in mind that some manual album placements may need to be redone, but the core media and its metadata generally return intact. A quick note on timing. iCloud Photos keeps deleted items in Recently Deleted for up to 30 days. After that countdown hits 0, they're removed from iCloud and from all devices using the same iCloud Photos library. If you've already emptied the recently deleted album manually, that's treated as a permanent delete. In both cases, Apple normally cannot restore these files through standard methods, so acting quickly is key. It's also important to understand how sync works. If you use iCloud Photos, deleting a picture on one device removes it everywhere that's signed in to the same Apple ID. The reverse is true too. When you recover a photo from recently deleted on your iPhone or iPad, it syncs back to iCloud and will reappear on your other devices once they're online. For the smoothest experience, make sure you're connected to the internet and signed in to the correct Apple ID while you recover. A couple of practical tips as you wrap up. Look closely at the days remaining labels so you know what's still recoverable, and try to restore items as soon as you notice they're missing. If nothing shows in Recently Deleted, it likely means the 30-day window has passed or the folder was emptied, and further recovery isn't available through iCloud. Follow these steps promptly, and you'll maximize your chances of bringing your photos back.